Hi, I'm Unit. Today I show you 5 volt male red microwave. Okay, use microwave at for 3 minutes and 500 watts. Okay, open it. Yeah. Oh, the frozen. It's heated up now. Yeah. Yeah. 5 watt. Wait for 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, man. Oh, was steamed. The red was steamed. Oh, crispy, so crispy. So hot, so hot. Oh, it's crispy. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, red. Mmm. Mmm. It's so crispy. This surface is so crispy. It tastes. It's seasoning salt. It's so crispy. Made. Oh, it's so hot. Only 3 minutes, so you can eat crispy potato, French fry, made. Then this should take us. It's nice. It's so crispy. I can't stop eating. And it was so delicious. It's very convinced. It's delicious, great. Today you need to punch 100 per 100 or amazing. And no, it's all. Thanks to watch the next time.